off a number.
75
to a certain place value.
Tens.
Look at the next digit to the right.
5
If it's 5 or greater, add 1 to the digit.
8
Make the digits to the right zeros.
80
To round off a number.
620
to a certain place value.
Hundreds.
Look at the next digit to the right.
2
If it's less than 5, leave the same digit.
6
Make the digits to the right zeros.
600
To round off a number.